Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
You can put
Samla,
wait.
they resign.
It is very easy to resign.
Sir.
You come here.
Sir,
You talk to the press if you want. No, wait. You want to talk?
The Northeastern Hills University Student Union, Haringkat Kakasi Students Union Nehu Unit, Mendaga Janmiat Jungkash Powderi Unai Wiang Arja Arpusan Kila Penong Gajinyaki, Ha ICSSR Nehu, Kumshibenta Ban Persha Ek Jingkot Jung Professor PS Chukla Ubadai Vice Chancellor ke School Ba Nehu, Ban Penong Gajinyalang Hanong Ba Delhi Hakat Saudari Menta Ubanai. Hagani Sngila Yu Gajingmi ke Thma Ktien Hapdeng ki Khana Pule Jong ke School Ba, Ba Professor S Umdor Ubadai Upro Vice Chancellor Jong ke School Ba, Ban Pan ke Jingpen Shai Nu Habedai Ba Jingkot Yagani Gajinyalang Sha Delhi. Nakaliang jungki ki kwa da gajing tho om ban shu hun ning ba gajing kran ning ba ka phone ba yak di gajing lang lakhot da ka ministry ba an pendong ya gajing lang shanong ba Delhi kumbalakran upro vice chancellor ki Samla Pule kimla ban pediang.
Don't threaten. I am from here. I am from here. No, I have time to write. I have talk. Don't threaten. I So I will WhatsApp this letter to the registrar. I'll send it through. From wherever you are.
Kumba PI itu notification, kumba kan di notify na itu. Kalian nasa withdraw na.
A large group, I'll read. Everyone should hear. A large group of subject calling of executive council meeting on 14/11/2025 at New Delhi. Sir, a large group of agitated students of the university has met me to demand a withdrawal of executive council meeting that was notified to be held on 14/11/2025 at 2 p.m. at New Delhi based on the telephonic direction received from the Undersecretary Ministry of Education on the evening of 23rd 10/2025 conveying the decision of the ministry. The students are aggrieved that the letter issued to you was based on verbal instruction from the ministry and not based on written formal communication, and that is against the standing instruction of the ministry, which states that all statutory body meetings have to be held within the main campus of the university, and further that any exception to this must be based on formal approval of the ministry. Despite my request and explanation, the students are unrelenting and not willing to listen. Considering the present volatile situation in the campus and the overall safety and security of all concerned, I hereby instruct you to withdraw the notification, pending formal communication from the ministry for holding the meeting outside the main campus. That is what they want. Kindly attach a copy of this letter to the Vice Chancellor, the Undersecretary of the Ministry, and all the executive members along with your notification. You must understand one thing, if I may say the last, I've had enough. I am withdrawing this not because of any other reason, but because I don't want this university, the situation to be volatile like last year and all that. Because in the last few months, we have really tried to bring this university up, okay, and it is going up, so many things are happening. I don't want your exams to be affected because we have already notified. So I'm doing this. I know that I'm not authorized to do this, but I have to do this because there are thousands of you out here. We don't want the situation to be volatile. I don't want you to be affected, your exams and all. Okay, so I'm doing this whether I'm authorized or not, but there is something called, I have to assess the situation here. So I'm doing it because of you, your safety and security. Last year we have had assault cases, so many unfortunate things. We don't want to repeat. My humble request to all of you is that please be peaceful. Let us try to resolve everything amicably. I've also wanted to say this to you, all of you should know, that the Vice Chancellor had also invited the Nehu student to have a meeting with him online so that you can tell him why you're against that. But that has not been accepted. So from my side, I've also spoken to the official of state government of Meghalaya, asking them to intervene. I've also written to them, asking them to intervene. It is not that for the last few days I've just sat quietly. I have to comply with the instruction of the ministry because we need them, we need funding from them. But at the same time, I've also tried to delay it as much as possible. So Please, if you want me to go back or go, I'm not going anywhere. I'm from here, so no chance of that. But my point is this: let us build this university together. Let us help us, because otherwise it's going to the drain. Every time this is becoming, people are laughing at us, and unfortunately, I've done my bit. Now, it is for God to intervene. Otherwise, no one can save Nehu. We are becoming like a republic of Nehu. Everything can happen here. Everything can happen here. So, sometimes you have to reflect as students. Please reflect at some point of time. Now
Sir,
you can
thank
do
you
this.
so much, sir,
Yes,
for your
yes,
words.
yes.
Kindly
Yes.
denotify this.
No, I will now
You have
issue.
been you should issue, sir. Like how
No,
how you formally issue the
The-
notification. So from our
The
side, just
registrar
our
will
humble
de-
request is
the
to kindly
registrar-
denotify it, sir.
I instructed the registrar to notify. I have instructed the registrar to denotify. Okay, so I'm sending it over by Noran.
So you told him, or you told just now that you will call the register.
Now, you see, he is from outside. He will see all of you. Why? What are you trying to do? You put pressure. I have written. I have written
Sir,
this.
sir, please don't
I
try
have
to bring
written
this.
No.
Sir, he is the officer of the university. How?
Yeah, he will do.
What,
He can
what
work
is the
from
problem
there.
of
This is-
meeting with
no,
the
no.
students of the university?
He will go from his house and denotify it. What is the problem?
So from our part is just you please denotify. You
He
have
will
said that you have
denotify.
instructed
If you want
that
me-
registrar.
if you
Our
want me-
only humble request is that, sir, this could have
This
been
is-
done last week itself when we went to meet you, sir.
I'll tell you why. it
So
cannot
why
be
do you
done.
want that students will come with
Yes,
this number
see,
of people?
because I
This
have
number,
been
sir.
trying for the
We
last-
were having exams
I've-
at the same time,
I've
sir.
I have been
So this
trying.
could have been given to us last week
No,
itself.
I've
We
been
would have
trying.
never.
Kami, kami apa itu tu lah, namun nak apa itu dia orang baik tu lah. Abang orang ni yang ngalak mancu lobby yang ngalak man keren. Nak kamu dah ban piong PI like 4 minute piong yang ingin nak buat mau tidak apa pensang ini. Men ngom kamu ni kata, what orang kata, PI calling like 4 minute, PI like 4 minute, piong ai pol like 4 minute. What more than pin keren ngam ta, bila nak kami nak lupa nusin, PI calling like 4 minute. Piong like 4 minute. Baik, ngai ngorong ipi.
Sir, kami ke universiti tu makin kuat kita menabar mengimak dan bila ka proper notification, ka proper communication tu ngila bidiang na ite sir, binsho madan bakol yang apa ni utai
Baik,
kata
sir. Ini kicall, ki bangayo first time. Ini dikijuk ki official jong ministry ki bangalek malah ke force Delhi. Nama pengamla orang betul di university. Kita ngami ngapi yang lain minit. Cuma dia bilang yang lain Tengah aku abang lada lada nganga phone di ministry. Nganga phone di sukla. Lada umbu dror ngalek menotong singa. Nganga la keren ni register untuk kapor. Ngong lada isu nga pila ne mo ngamla arman PPM ne chairman. Nganga di mengapa ay notification? Ay ngakam len ni kata. Kawan ka phone call ng ministry. Bagi kijuk ki breu ki bangakran man kapor. Hasipau tarik ngap. Haba sipau tarik haba ki khot nga sa dehi. Gini kijuk ki breu yang pelong isi meeting. Tapi mun boleh apno ta. Ngada notify nga ka mantoy na maruham notify chairman.
Kasar sekawai mo, yung ba di okol na po ministry ha kami. Ngam try ba kani hugan day kam kay kasar banong adu. Kat yang isi meeting banyak sudah hiban hap dari phone call. Amdan sa
haduk menta, ong ki nga haduk menta. Kiong ba hakapor ba ikut menta. This is a centrally funded university. Ni depend everything on the ministry. Pi tasngap, PPC tang sukla. Nga perkhat ya perkhat ki staff ka welfare of the university overall. Pi kawai one point agenda jung pi dei ban penmi sukla nga ngam dan against that. Ndai hapanga ngayo ka order na ministry verbally.
Sir, kata dalam problem ini lah saya accept verbal order.
Ya,
Ka ministry.
Ya,
Kata
kacau.
ka bam la ban lang baka ministry kan ong ban penbu ya ke isi sir. Kata ka bam jula ban lang Hanoi University ba juyo senior. Lada ki ai da ka proper notification ada ki pentip ya pi bahwa Professor Umdar, please notify that EC will happen. Then we will talk, sir.
Sir, kau
Yang
memang-
mana mabih syong bagi phone EC, if lada ki phone ki ministry. You know, Professor Umdar, thung na yauta kumutau head kumutau di kini apa sir kata.
Dasar yang kelingai pi kau. Hi video beri orang anak asal, adon keran, Pule. Tapi motor sarai minta, kibriu kibdan ajrong bro. Kimdan saya kata respect if benang. Dah ka phone call if. Semua saya ban ada address ya pi.
Fee kalau ngom ni, fee absolut.
Mentale pi provisi jangan
Fee apa kat kau?
school ba.
Fee apa kat kau? Fee apa kat kau? Nang fee. Nang mencua. Kani ka ngan fusto. Kani ka jing keren jing ministry kam day bangayo first time ka ko. Lakhot enga se Delhi on the 10th of October. Yo enga di pelong ke EC. Nang ki the students are against the whole stakeholders up. So let me have my say. Kasong inyale ayu. Ngong the students and the stakeholders are against. Ya kawan pelong isi usukla ulatho na do September. Kadang ka written record ngala share phiru habang ong usukla bang minumla wan pelong ki isi because kamdei reka kade sa strong opposition.
Katakan saya people na ministry and right he reply siya Shukla.
Parutho usukla kamtre pelong isi. Wai recorder ng kamtre. Yang ala coach putrik balik sa Delhi ki juk gibri ko bangay kendo malakapor. Habang alik sa Delhi ngong ki plainly ngong sir, it cannot be done because the atmosphere is very vitiated. Ha kasi Thursday apa ki phone janmit. Yung this has come from the highest level. Now pila ban stok away. Ngalawan argu ber ministry apa stok away.
Kata kaya sa phone ni pi. Kami यहाँ पे kata kawai ka point. Pi ang ba pila dapat ka ministry. Hato pi ay daga jing tho sir kata.
Ho nga this.
Ay sa kata ni kami kaya mag ministry ang ibi siya kata ki. Siya kata ba pi ka ministry na kaya sir ni kami ay nila ka jing tho. Ni suyo siyo ba pi ka ministry ka phone ka mo. Lang ka isi. Ay sa ka kata ni
Hapdeng ka ba sa.
Am sa kata ni lang yang sa. Nomor ba balay ni nga ba siya accept ka phone ko. Nga ba sa ka mo ang pero ka ministry na balay mo accept. Piang man kami office. Ki bila che dari ni kem lai lang. Ni kem lai lang. Notification sir man to na chukli fi kato na jingli mano ba implement kato austerity measures sir ba pipen dunay no iki funding iki departments
Ni kum ka university na
kum ka university under hand and seal no sir
balay.
kani jong pide sir te phiti bang sa ikani ki isi ban pelong hadel hiro mano ban yes sir ikani ka jingli em sir
Oh siya nganong nga ngan juwa.
kalun agar join university of sir dinem sir kata
Iko ang juwa.
te juwa ira ka jingli abi lo
Tasap ang juwa. Dia pailat lalu pikiran juwa. Min say pay kay benle. No issue. Anong fi? Kidi bentip kipat ba. Ni yo life san pulai crore kidi ban skap kata. Nomor lalu film ko ban skap film ko tip ke sisa. Last year of financial year 24-25 ni yo san pulai crore kapisa ban penya je ka recurring grant jong ka university. Kata kamut ban siu ki ya ki tulop jong ki casual workers ni dan ru sia jangut ban penya ke university ya ka everything like ka salary but pension. How near usnam bamenta ni nakasan pulai crore la khati yangi saka life way crore. Kom ka university ngimdan sinaya ro ka pisa menta. Ni suya ya every month to month. Ngimtep kumnung impenya namar nakatagadaw ngi haple ka austerity measures. Tang sulong privacy ngalalit sa Delhi pang lathok kanu siniki. Bahkan ka revise estimate bakin long December. Sungo mapan kentiu. Ya ka grant ka jungi namar kham ka grant nginumla. Tang ka bailai ngisiu ngriu crore si Islam tang ka bailai. Kabay petrol kani katay baro khag ipenya ka grant ka ministry. Menta ka internal resources ngi ka fees ka papisio is one of the lowest in this country. Ngisiu ngi penmi tang 8% na total expenditure. Menta kini ki ministry ngalit malakapor ngalit back pisay ki namda kani ka university. Fimut kina ay direction ng tinga ngalaan penhe ka sedang ngono ngam tre bangay. Balay this is a central university funded by them. So nga ong fi season I'm a ki ka directive nga tho ka email you register ngong as directed by the official of the MOE dan nga ay copy ka MOE ru kon mo nga ay copy ter register ka jo ka copy nga ay su MOE o under secretary bu director mantap yung fi filaon pini ben he sadam ni sarau ni nga nomor balay ya fi ka fight ka dai tang spang sukla ya nga ka fight ka dai ban penya ja kani ka university ka bomdan pisaso ka bomdan ni ngidan hadu sia jangut kini ki casual workers lasai minta fi pene kana ka ministry larang ngim dan pisang ya mono man sek salary jong kiti fisia jarnut fi te filala fisia You'll be here for 1-2 years, you'll be going away. Who will look after them? Kinir kiti kitu action am. So, when we deal with the ministry, when you deal with the ministry, you can fight with Shukla. No problem in fight with Shukla. But if in a fight with the ministry, responsibility, funding agency of us. We don't even have, we spend, listen, out of 53 crore, we got only 31 crore this time. We don't have money to send you for your trip and all that. You can put
resign.
It is very easy to resign.
Sir.
You come here. You talk to the press if you want. No, wait. You want to talk? I will resign now. Listen. No, I have done enough for this university.
University ka don shortage mo.
Yes.
To kawai ka jingkili. Yakini ki isi member ban pasha Delhi. Mana ban siu bisa.
Yakini ki EC.
Mana ban siu bisa.
These members going to EC will be born by the university. Okay, now wait.
Next question. Hato kay Nehu ka la nem ban hole kay isi hapot Nehu.
Yes, it can.
Jadi PPS itu kata ka hostel manager, kata ka department kata. Tang baya ka banla ban hapot Nehu beli ban ka ban pasha Delhi kan ingin sutu ya kata.
I understand your
Ingin
emotions.
sutu ya kata.
I understand your emotions.
Then why
I am not
don't you
saying against.
even comply our emotions, sir? You are playing with our emotions.
No,
You have
because-
cutted.
because I did not say- I did not say
ya funds. Namenta ki study tours Pilabanduna. What key departments menta kaya underfunded? Menta ki external examiners ki not banwan. Tang ma in the meantime sir ma PPO makata ka naging problem. Solution ni kay pa ki member sa Delhi.
I know. It doesn't
But
sound correct.
that
I
is
know.
not, sir.
You
That
are
is
right.
something we
you are
accept,
right.
sir.
You are right. He is
Na
right.
kailangan yung students yung ka ban accept kung kita, sir.
You are right when you say that when we don't have money, habang imdan pisa, baling in like long meeting sa Delhi. You are right. But this meeting I have not called to Delhi. It has come from the ministry. And number two, more important. More important.
Iya kata. Iya kata. Sir, yung bakawan na ka ministry.
No, I have told you that.
Just show us the ministry has directed and then we will leave.
Listen.
What do you say?
Listen.
Show us that the ministry has directed you and then we will leave, sir.
I have already said to you, now number one, the reason when the telephone came, I call you that it was a telephonic call. I've
Sir,
written to you.
telephonic
No.
calls, we don't know
Okay.
what has happened
Okay.
between the
Okay.
telephonic call
No,
between
can
you and
receive
them.
call from
You
anyone.
went to Delhi or not, also we can't verify, sir.
No, it's
Because
okay.
we didn't go with you to
No,
Delhi,
it's
sir.
okay. See, I'll
We
tell
don't
you
know
one
what talks
thing.
you are having.
The reason why I am
But when the
complying-
rule, when the
reason-
ministry, sir, PR kalau je ministry, what ministry has said, ngapain ni kita notification ngapain ni jong
I know,
sir.
I-
Ministry kalau orang ya ki EC, ki FC, bar ki AC, ki depan penlong bayar apa ka campus.
the reason
Tapi
why-
ni yang ni bakata ka direction ka ministry baka IAP banong ma penlong ya ka EC jong ka
reason
Nehu.
why-
What is so special about
No,
Nehu to
I'll
hold
tell
EC in New Delhi, sir?
You're very right. The reason why I am complying with the ministry for a very simple fact, although we don't have money, we have to go, is that because the same ministry we are expecting and we have written to them to revise our budget estimate in December. These are the same people who will decide in December. Kini kijo gibreo. Ha December kin decide kila pa na pisa sa mi. So kumno nga nakatay ka agency ka pa nga fight, naka ministry ka pa nga ngalipan pisa, namta ka university. Ya kati ka jo hinga kanile Thma malakapot.
Ya kata
Kante ban banila.
House nam arka pelak kalau pelak jaga jing thok ba. Within the campus we can
So
Sa
Basta, what is the way out?
sa ngim ong re pi sir, ngim ong re pi mapila
What is
Thma
the way out?
ministry.
You tell me.
To managilan jung ngi ong bait ba, ora ka ministry ka IAP kung kata direction su pen shy ngi de pen ngi kung kata ka direction na ka ministry. And then ngi sito.
The direction came as per telephonic call.
Do we accept telephonic calls? No! Telephonic calls?
Show us in written, sir. Show us in written, then we will agree.
No.
We will show, if need be, we will show the direction given by Professor Umdor to the registrar to conduct EC in Delhi. We have that in writing.
Yes.
We have that.
I issued.
Why, sir? Yes, when you issue the austerity measures, people
issue.
underfund ki departments, pimsha ki kena bagi study tours, only less departments kira malay. Tama pila ban fund pa ki EC members
I
na
am not
Delhi, sir.
funding. It is a direction from ministry. Again,
Show us the direction. Show us the direction.
Okay, now-
If it is telephonic, sir, but you are bawang kami na direction.
Sir, how cheap is Nehu, sir? Through telephone call, we can spend the money.
I'll tell you one thing. For you as a student body, it is very easy to argue, to say that don't listen to higher official, ask them in writing. For us officials,
What
for
difficult
us
is getting in writing
for
them?
us
What is so difficult in getting in writing?
For us officials, when we deal
Sir, the
with the
moment you
higher,
say- sir,
when
the
we
moment
deal
you
with the
say,
higher,
Arsha,
when we deal with the high from there.
Any outcome, sir. You trying, it's any outcome.
Then sir, you could have understood. So if there's no outcome, then you could have taken some.
So do you think whatever I want, I will do?
Sir, you said no, sir.
So
You said that.
let us wait. Let us
Sir,
wait for him.
you said already that you know it how the situation. This is how the promise and slurs goes away.
Okay. So we not go away. I
No,
just
sir, we
want
are
to-
still talking. Sir, you should listen. You should address first.
See,
Sir, you said that.
You have got enough of their.
Sir, we are not speaking here for the media. We are speaking here for the sake of the students who have come to us. We have nothing to do with the media.
Come out! Come out! Come out!